Zan, Sheol, Kamal. Greetings to greetings y'all. Greetings to everybody watching at home. I go by the name Tokozile MaYeni. It's Wagamngoni. And welcome to Conversations with MaYeni. So today we're gonna be talking Izizwe no Utshwala, right? Yeah, so let's get into it. First topic, man, is Utshwala, right? So yeah, man, Utshwala in simple phrase is like possessing spiritual um okay, sithi umuntu othwele, umuntu odila ngemimoya. It's possessing spiritual energy to do whatever you want for you, right? Yes, you can send this thing anywhere. You can do whatever that you want, right? Spiritually, yes. So abantu bathwala for certain reasons, right? Abanye bathwalela ukuba namandla, abanye bathwalela ukuba nemali, abanye bathwalela ukuphakama, abanye bathwalela ukwaziwa, abanye bathwalela ukufa. So it's all up to you, man. I don't know. Yeah, but do not, do not resort to that yet. Yes. So it really differs ukuthwala kwakhona. Kunokuthwala kwey'lwane, whereby umuntu sekathwala ngenyoka, or athwale ngesizwe, or yes, iy'lwane, or there's herbs. Athwale ngemithi, mm, athwale ngani, athwale ngey'hlahla, or there's water. Umuntu athwale ngamanzi, njalo hlezi ahlanzekile yena. Aha. Um, Akangcoli. We know you. Um, buye uthwale ngomoya. Right? Manje sebayakuthwebula. So umkhofu sebayakuthuma. So isithunzi awusaboni basitshontshe isithunzi sakho baphula ngaso. Laba bayenzani, right? So yeah, those are four phrases of that. So that is the that's everything, the whole part of it, right? So it differs on the person and what the type of swallowing system they want, right? Yes, that's it. It's just four different phases. Yes, and then yes, they make that person to the process in by kinda. It's certain herbs and mixtures crafted, you know, yes, by Nzintewan, and then by Vusa, it's awakened, and then you use it after then what? So khona izizwe ukuthi nje wena ufunani. And then moving on to izizwe. Izizwe it's animals. It's animals, amafutha wey'lwane, isikhumba, amathambo, whatever nje ekuyisilwane sibiza izizwe. So izizwe, the reason they use it is because it's more powerful than plant, and then it kills plant, obviously. So so that's why they use izizwe kakhulu. They also use izizwe ekuthwaleni, right? Yes. Amathambo wenja, amafutha, like whatever, man. Just animal stuff, izizwe. So be careful of that too, right? Because it's a problem. Many people are lost right now. Many spiritual people are being stealing the spiritual powers because of this shit. Like everything, a whole lot of things are just going wrong in the spiritual realm because of these things, right? It is people with powers, right? So they see above us, they see everything, right? Bafika lapha awazi next to you, and then basithwebula idlozi lakho angithi it's supposed to show you shit, and then selibonisa lo muntu lona, man, instead of showing you, and then that's how they gain more power and more wisdom, right? So let's be careful with what we do, people. I'm not saying don't support your local healers, but just be careful who you go to, because not everyone at night sleeps right. Okay? Yes. And not everyone has a good heart outside, right? Yes. So please, okay? As much as we love everything, we love men. I'm not saying don't date men, but just be careful with the type of people you date, because if lo muntu lona athatha leya ncusa yakho, you will have problems. Kusaba nabantwana, ngeke usazala. Nje, it's a lot, my people. So I don't have much to say. All I'd like to say is that take care at home, and then be careful of everything that you do, because not everyone has a good heart out there. Some people, yes. And above it all, man, don't let money change you. Please, please, I beg, don't let money change you. We had money, fame, we having fame, but don't let these things change you. Like whoever you are, maybe you're on the same journey as I am. You might get these things, who knows, maybe bigger than me, but please don't let money change you. Don't let fame change you. Don't let anybody change you. Don't forget who you are. You were born to change the world, and let it be a mission to you. From me, man, peace and love. Do the right thing. Makmele, you trust Makhosi. But if it's wrong, Puparugu, don't. Because it's science. Let's let's respect signs that are shown to us and take full action. Comprehend. If you don't understand signs, send messages. Talk out. Come on, I'll reply, man. I mean, I don't have a problem with helping people out. Just do the right things, man. Because that's where your power is. At the end of the day, man, we are African and spiritual beings. We too have vibrant energy. So if you ignore that vibrant energy, troubles are heading your way. Troubles are heading your way. Spiritually, Melokweni. Troubles are heading your way. So yeah, man, it's just minor things we would not like to talk about. So yeah, man, let's take care. Until then, love and light. I hope I didn't talk about MaYeni Mnguni. Do check me out on all socials at Makhosi MaYeni Mnguni. Like and subscribe. Follow my shit. Everything. Support the channel. Follow the boy. Mina nawe. Khitsan Paso. Kaufela. Love and light, my people. Blessings to the tribe. Thokozani. Shewe. Dawu. Kosamako.